Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Channel Zero Adventures. Today I'm taking you to the Talanta International Stadium, which was recently inspected by the Deputy President. This inspection marked another milestone in its development, and in this video I'll take you closer to the site so that at least you can see the latest progress for yourself and get a glimpse of what could become the country's premier sporting venues ahead of the AFCON 2027. Right now I'm approaching from the newly commissioned Ngong Road flyover. Now let's head and see what's there. The stadium is finally coming into full view. The first thing that immediately catches your eye is its striking white exterior that gives it a clean, modern and iconic appearance. Leave alone the white exterior. Just have a look at the shield-inspired patterns wrapping around the facade. This is an inspiration that has been drawn from the shields that feature on the Kenyan flag. This is not just about blending culture with contemporary architecture. It's also about branding the stadium as an infrastructure of national identity. Even from the roadside, it's clear that this is not a mere sports venue. It's a landmark that has been designed to represent Kenya on the continental stage. How would you rate this stadium? Drop your score in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.